As much as I wish this was some kind of dystopian feature flick, Black Friday and Cyber Monday 2018 are fast approaching. And I'm kinda supposed to deliver some top tips so that you can make the most out of this commercial holiday season. So as you will have gathered from our little pseudo trailer there, Black Friday and Cyber Monday are huge opportunities for Shopify merchants and e-commerce merchants in general to make a huge chunk of change. So here are our top 7 tips to help you get a slice of the pie this holiday season. Tip number 1 is to stand out from the competition and create an aura of exclusivity by offering your VIP customers a pre-sale. Not only does this solidify the relationship between you and your most loyal customers, but it also gives you the chance to separate them from the landslide of offers and deals that they are no doubt going to be exposed to come this Black Friday. So by giving them the chance to take the plunge and take advantage of your offers a little bit earlier than everybody else, you give yourself a little bit of a competitive edge. You can even take things one step further and offer your VIP customers an even steeper discount than everybody else. There's no better way to put your loyalty to your customers on display. Now, tip number 2 is a no-brainer when it comes to Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and that's to create urgency. Because most Black Friday sales are only available on the date of the holiday, there is an end date for every sale. That is, a cutoff point where customers can no longer find the product they're looking for at its holiday pricing. So make it clear that your offers are going to expire. Give your customers a clear and concise cutoff time to give them that extra little push towards making a purchasing decision. I said a bit of a push. Now, of all the things that people used these bad boys for last year, online sales saw the most significant growth, with mobile purchases on Shopify alone accounting for 64% of all sales. That's nuts! It comes as no surprise then that our next tip is to optimize your website for mobile-first purchasing. To do this, you should tweak the speed and navigation of your website to be more mobile-friendly, as well as offering one-click purchases to mobile-first customers. You know what? I might even get some more gear for the studio. Now, a lot of customers are inclined to do their shopping at the very last minute. How many is a lot, you ask? Well, according to dropoff.com, as many as 77% of all customers plan to do their shopping at the very last minute this year alone. Couple that with the fact that 78% of customers are more likely to purchase from online retailers who offer same-day delivery, and this next tip should come as absolutely no surprise. And that's to prepare for last-minute shipping and to offer same-day delivery. Well, technically that's 2 tips, but it was really counting. Now, when it comes to doing well in these huge holiday sales, or any competitive endeavor at all for that matter, I'm of the opinion that you should always plan for the best, but still prepare for the worst. What happens if an app that is central to your customer service experience goes dark, for example? Or what if your vendor runs out of stock in the middle of Black Friday, costing you thousands in potential sales?
This is fine.
Having a solid contingency plan can be the difference between missing out on a ton of revenue or being adequately prepared. So may the foresight be with you. Now, abandoned shopping carts are still a high occurrence in the world of online retail. And sorry to say, but Black Friday and Cyber Monday are no exception. So this next tip is for you to retrieve abandoned shopping carts by any means necessary. Fortunately for us, there are quite a few handy tools to help us to this effect. For example, our very own Tidio app, which comes fully equipped with an automated chatbot that will message any customers who abandon their shopping carts, asking them the reason as to why. You can even configure it to send them a discount code if they happen to find a better offer with one of your competitors. To check it out, I've left you a free download link in the description above. Wait, below. It's below. So that wraps it up. Those are our 7 top tips for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So yeah, I did count that earlier one as 2. If If you found this information valuable, or perhaps you happen to be here because you're a huge fan of our app, either way, hit the sub button and drop us a comment below to let us know what you plan for your Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales this holiday season. I won't steal your ideas. Promise.